very engaging. They were very curious. They asked a lot of questions. Some of the questions were even difficult, but we were able to manage the session. We were able to advise them.
Like maybe as you go in that this thing change, maybe before you were very fruitful, maybe you start getting sleepless and
the symptoms change.
That lasts for 5 days, and some of them is even 2 or 3 days.
So that is based on your hormones and your genes. It's different for everybody. Was it too late?
As long as you have breath, as long as you're still breathing, you are alive. It's never too late for anything, right? Every day you wake up is an opportunity to do something.
Intelligent, is smart. Sharing man.
I want to go to the learning. I want to go to
You also want to get out. You want to be like you
I think you want to do on something. Nature is something you feel like you can do, something you want to do.
And then that someone can manage that period, like that's like always want to eat, like always eating.
So true that you can actually expose yourself,
Job lack can be of lack of money, lack of financial assistance.
Firstly, because I'm a product of school, education, I won't encourage any of you to talk about the things you learn from school are transferable skills that you can use in business studies. Fantastic. I like that answer.
everything know about it. We are not supposed to fight everything.
I agree.
Sometimes I'm supposed to speak to each other and understanding with
You guys will also be part of the solution.
The problems in the education sector in Nigeria are clear for all to see. As citizens, we always think about how can we contribute towards that solution. Of course, there are millions of kids out of school in Nigeria. There are those in public schools. And as a foundation, we're always thinking about how we can augment that level of education, how we can further expose the students in this school to ensure they don't suffer so much when compared to their mates in private secondary schools. As citizens, we must act. We have to be part of the solution to the problems we see, to the social ills that we find in our society today. And that's what we are concerned and focused on as a foundation.